Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 6. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to describe different ways to make 8 with a number bond using a picture. So looking at this, it says that we have to circle 3. We have to say how many more does 3 need to make 8. So we know that we have 8 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to circle 3 of those bananas. So 3. Okay, now I'm going to circle how many is left because we know that how many is left is how many more we need to make 8. So we know that this is 3. Let's see how many more is in that other part that makes 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so 3 and 5 make 8. So we know that 3 is one of our parts and 5 is one of our parts. Because we need 3 and 5. We got to put those two together to make our whole, which is 8. So now we're going to do our two expressions. Remember, expressions are whenever you do not include the whole. It's just the two parts. The two parts just want to be by themselves. So looking at this, it says blank plus blank. Well, we're just going to add our parts into there. 3 plus 5. Then we're going to do that switcheroo where we switch those two parts around. Remember, as long as those parts are hugging that plus sign, they're all good. So we know that 3 plus 5 is an expression for 8. And we can also do 5 plus 3 as well to make 8. All right, guys, that is it for this video.